Hello, this is Emine Phillips of Novaria.ai. Through adopting AI in my own startup, I've set up a framework for any startup or an SME owner to integrate AI into their operating model. In fact, this particular framework is even published in a book chapter by Springer. So this framework consists of 3 phases: optimize, automate, and innovate. And in this video, I'd like to specifically focus on the optimize phase. Now, optimize phase is really a discovery phase for a startup or an SME to look internally, looking at pain areas, but also externally exploring what is possible out there. Now, when you're looking internally, you're kind of reflecting as to what could be better. You're looking at your own processes, you're looking at what is slow, what is manual, what is, lacking quality, what are the standards that you'd like to set up, and perhaps in which areas you're not there. And you put on your lenses and you're trying to find out these pain areas, but also externally trying to understand what is possible through AI. So this can be experimentation, this can be through experiments with Gemini, ChatGPT, the Google Suite, Notebook LM, or if you're in the marketing sector, for example, Gemini has just launched a 2.5 flash image model. If you're in the market research, or if you'd like to do more sort of competitor analysis, Perplexity is there. Also for academic research, it's pretty good. And if you're sort of in an area where data is sensitive and you don't really want to put any data or give information to any of the LLMs, then you can look to explore some of the deployed versions such as LM Studio. So optimize phase is really understanding in which areas you need help, but also understanding what are the sort of everyday AIs out there are capable of doing. And then combining these, if you can start solving some of the pain areas through your experiments. So here is a little bit about the optimize phase, and I'll be telling you more about the other phases in the future videos. But in the meantime, if you're curious about this and more, I'm running workshops in Oxford and online, and the details of these will be on my LinkedIn post. Have a great day.